Hi guys, happy and good day everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today I gonna teach you how to use the SQL right join. Before we start, I want to explain to you what is the purpose of SQL right join. The right join keyword returns all records from the right table, table 2, and the matching records from the left table, table 1. Remember, the result is 0 records from the left side and there is no match. Now let's proceed to the SQL right join syntax. Select orders, order ID, employees last name, employees first name from orders. Right join employees on orders, employee ID, employees employee ID, orders by orders order ID. And that's it guys, it's very easy, right? I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye everyone.